Hi guys, I am going to grill a squid. I have these three big squid here cleaned out earlier, guts out. I cleaned the guts out. I had a video earlier showing how to take the guts out, and so I have it really clean, and then I'm going to put it right here in the mixing bowl and got the guts, and I want to include this one. This is good, it's edible. It's from the inside of the squid here. I can just put it back right here because this is yummy. And so I'm going to mix green onions, onions. This is lemongrass. I cut it out. You can get this from, sometimes they have it at the local grocery store. I got this one at the China store, China market. This smells really good. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is garlic, lots of garlic. I love garlic. You cannot have too much garlic. It's always good if you have a bunch of them. This is good for marinating. It's very yummy. Bay leaves, sea salt. I love sea salt. I don't really want to give measurement of how much salt you want to put it in there, because a lot of people, some people are sensitive to salt. They might don't want to put salt in their food. Some people want to put too much salt. It's up to you how much salt you want to put it in there. I like to put a lot of flavor in the food, so salt is good. You can put good flavor with the sea salt. So I think that's about 2 teaspoons of salt in 3 big squid. I'm just gonna stir it all like that. You can put black pepper in there if you want to. Then all these are gonna go inside the squid. Stuff them inside the squid right here. And then can either marinate it overnight or marinate it for just a couple of hours. So green onions, these are really good. You can put more green onions in there, or little onions. I got these green onions from the garden. Since it's winter, I don't have very much out there, so that's all I got. I would have loved to have a lot of green onions in there. A lot of green onions would be good. So I just put them all in there like that. You can also put soy sauce in there. Soy sauce can also give a lot of flavor in any foods. I do put soy sauce in here sometimes, just drizzle it in there, but this time I don't. And just keep stuffing it in there. We bought grilled squid at a Japanese restaurant one day. They grilled it and put it in a sizzling pot. It wasn't really good. It was $15 for this size of squid. $15 grilled squid like that. I do not know what they put in there, but it's a Japanese grilled squid. $15. These three things right here are $15 right here. Got this from the Asian market. So if you know how to grill, if you love squid, you can grill them very fast, very easily at home. Just do it like that. It's way cheaper. So anyways, I'm gonna leave it like that. So this is a stuffed squid now, a whole squid like that. The head, the tentacles does not come out. Leave it like that. And then here's another one. So I'm gonna marinate it for a couple of hours. Like I said, if you want to marinate it overnight, it gives more flavor. But today I only marinated for 2 to 3 hours. And by the way, I have the guts I got out from this squid earlier. It's right here. Our trash does not come out here until next week, Thursday. So we're gonna put this in a Ziploc bag and put in the freezer until Thursday, because it's gonna stink in your trash or in the garage. But you can put this in the freezer, just hide it, and remember to take it out on Thursday and throw it in the trash. Or if you live near the, you don't really have neighbor, just take it out there, outside the fence, and just throw this out there, and maybe the rats or squirrels will eat this. So anyways, that's just my idea. Bye for now.